Welcome back. We are back on a new video, and I'm going to react on this video of yesterday. Sit at home in Biafra land. Before we go through what we have for you today, I want to say something very, very important. When Soludo made a comment, he issued a warning to traders in Anambra State, telling them that they have to lock up their shop, otherwise they will face a kind of punishment by locking their shop and making sure that they will lock it up for 1 week, according to him, and other threat. I don't blame him, and the reason why I don't react to that, because I just want to wait until Monday, which happened yesterday. Today is Tuesday, so I just want to see what will happen in Anambra. And guess what? Anambrans did not fall our hand. They did what they're supposed to do. One thing you need to understand is that Soludo is taking kind of, should I say, trying to copy Pitamba of Enugu State. And in Enugu State, I was told that people are no longer observing sit at home like they normally do. Some schools are opening, people are going out to do their one or two things. You understand? And Soludo felt that Pitamba locking the shop of traders in Ogbete in Enugu State is the reason why the sit at home seem to have gone down a bit somehow in Enugu State. But I don't know if that is true or not about the report from Enugu State. But whether it is or not, Soludo choose to sound like Pitamba by going to traders to warn them and instruct them that they have to open their shop on Mondays. One thing you need to understand is that once you want to fight Biafrans, you are actually trying to fuel the sit-at-home in that your state. That is what Soludo have done. The sit-at-home yesterday was like, that time they started news at home newly. That is what happened in Anambra State. So everywhere is turned to ghost town, because Soludo want to test the power of the people, and this is what happened to him in his in that order that he dished out. Anyway, PM have something to say. He said, "The criminal Soludo, where are you? Today is Biafran Monday, sit at home, and your so-called state is under lockdown. Where are you? You are not keeping your promise, you." You're not keeping your promise, you. He kind of mocking him, and he deserved it. You don't talk to people like that. And this is the video. But before we release the video, of course, I believe most of you are following PM, so you must have watched this video. But we are going to share it here anyway. We are going to share it anyway. The breaking news: PM said, "Biafran Monday sit at home today. Biafran self-referendum. Biafran vote of no confidence on Nigeria, and vote of confidence." Vote of confidence on Biafra, okay, on Biafra government continue today with massive sit-at-home compliance. Now, the first one we are going to go through is this one. Let me start from the beginning. Let it start from the beginning. I just want to make sure that you hear whatever the guy is saying here. Let's start.
14th of October is remarkable. The Amazonaka status in this part of the world is 160%. The going is going good. It's going good. Everywhere is cool and calm. You see, people are willing to go. The market has shut down the evolution. Market women and men have shut down because they want to release. And for that reason, we keep on back and we're going home. Freedom is ultimate. We are going home. Today, market differently entirely in the eyes of the world. You can see this is slaughterhouse. This is slaughterhouse. And this is the major market. It's going. It's a horror, as they call it. You can see what is going on. Everywhere shut down. Shut down. In normal days, everywhere is populated. I can even cross with another leg. People are jamming themselves everywhere. What you can see is as empty as anything. The power of freedom. Power of freedom is making way on everywhere. Yes, Simon and Biafra Republic government are doing a great thing. Thank be unto God for just one man doing a great thing because of the truthfulness in his mouth. God bless you, Prime Minister Simon Edward, the great guy. And your honorable cabinet doing great things. We adore you, we welcome you, and we believe you so much. Thank you. And you from the society is global news reporting from the center of the world. Abba stay precisely. The great God is doing great things. Abba is distinguished on every side. We are doing wonderful things.
Okay, this one is Abba State. So we are going to go through the Abba, all of them anyway, all the video. This is another picture from Abba State.
Today is 14th day of October 2024. You can see the side. I'm just reporting from Abba State precisely, the industrial hub of Africa. This is the shopping center, the major market in Abba State. Everywhere is shut down on the evolution. No one cajole them, no one force them because they're willing to go. They have decided for freedom is the best to look onto than any other day. So we say bye bye to Nigeria. We're getting ready for December 2nd. They said you're gonna be D-Day and it on day. We are going home. Thank you everybody. The question is releasing Namoricana, we go. Releasing Namoricana, we go. Are you ready to do that? As a question. So we are going home. Thank you everybody. Everywhere we shall Biafran, you are doing great. Keep on the fire.
So this is another one as well. This is another picture. Sit at home, continued. So it's not something that you will say, oh, it's a Photoshop. This is the reality from Southeast Biafra land. So let's continue. We are going to go through. So this one is in Anambra State. This picture you're seeing here. Sit at home in Anambra State, and here is the video, of course.
Again, traders ignore the illegitimate governor Charles Soludo's order to open market today, being the 14th of October 2024, Monday at home date here in Ochanja main market, Mambala State, Biafra land. As you can see, all plaza here still remain under lock and key. The solidarity protest for mass and unconditional release for Biafra freedom. Here the self-referendum that is still ongoing. If you haven't voted, go and vote for your freedom and freedom of your people. This is Ochanja today. Every market is under lock and key.
So we have moved another one, another video.
Market, as you can see, all plaza, shops still remain under lock and key. The solidarity protest for mass and unconditional release of Biafra.
So I am just playing just short clip of the video. This is not the full video because for the sake of the time, so we have to manage. I just want to flash it so that you understand that people actually decided to show Soludo Pepe and it really enter.
Soludo. Because if I go where Monday Soludo. That's your appetite. Naga kushi shop ya. If I go over and find out how to go like key. How to like key. Maka amorike fa amorike poche so bright key fa wo. Ana yo isi ana ya meka ewetura ye ga na na chop. If I go where I brought at home. Every morning, what do I task? I'm going to see that start. I can have a couple of my camp over here in the car. All the record. I got a bank or this. My name of the Nika in a royal shop. I am put around.
Nah, see, they gonna them
Okay. A very massive anaconda line of Biafrans only to participate
in Lagos State.
in Lagos State referendum physical voting. Biafrans are obviously, as you can see, demonstrating their participation in the Biafra self-referendum 2024 in the second phase, courtesy of Biafra Republic government in exile, led by His Excellency Simon Eba. Biafrans are good to go. Only a short notice that there will be voting in this very house. The whole neighborhood has converged in one place.
To be honest with you, I remember when this self-referendum started, some group of people were busy making video. Online voting, online government, online people, online self-referendum. That is a criminal. They are taking your data to send to Malami. How many of you remember that watched that video? I don't want to call names because that is not my type. I don't want people to think that oh, you are violence, you are preaching violence, you are calling names. No, I want to avoid it because it will not even give us Biafra, isn't it? So why would I pick fight with anybody? The only thing is that truth must be told. If you hate truth, then it's your problem. People were questioning PM. Where is your government? Is it online? You will be prime minister online. You will have people that you are governing online. You will do your self-referendum online. At the end of all this blackmail and sabotage, what happened? Look at Biafran's physical voting going on, not only in Biafran land, though, now in Lagos. Very soon you may see Abuja. I'm not saying that Abuja is coming. I'm just saying very soon, because one thing with PM is that do not challenge him, or if you don't want him to forge ahead, don't fight. I feel like you don't want him to win you, then don't challenge him. Then he will do something, just do his normal things and go. Man, ịnọgide wugide mmanya bugide gị ịga mapịarị aka ọkpọ nke gị ekpo, because that is what I have seen so far. Everything that is doing or what you have achieved started by people using that particular thing to try to do blackmail, try to do gara. Then he will show you that, look, this thing that you are talking about, that I was not intend to do it. It's not in my plan. But after this your challenge, let me include it and I show you that I can do it. Like play or make plan with myself. Just like as a parent, your child came back, after the maybe school holiday or midterm break, he came back with a result that he scored maybe 3rd position or maybe 5th position, and you were mocking. You were saying, not mocking. You were like, oh, you cannot even bring you cannot make it 1st position or 2nd position. Why always 3rd and 4th and 5th? You are challenging the child. The next time the child will come back with highest grade and with the 1st position. That's what PM is doing. But some child, if you say that to some people, they will not even make it to that position that made it before. But PM is different. Can you imagine that? Your Biafra, why don't you come back here? Come back. He's organizing self-referendum in that land you are talking about. Then who is the owner of the land then? You understand? Or if you carry by fair Januku, Mabwane my Bokwina Koeli. If you carry fair Januku, PM is trying, and I thank God for Biafrans. Many eyes are open to receive healing and deliverance. That's what we're playing at today. A lot of video, which I don't think we are going to go through all of them in this video, But let's see how far we can go. So let us watch another short clip from Onitsha, from Anambra State. Just because of Soludo, like I said, he's trying to be like act like Peter Mba and Hope Uzodimma. Gonna have a kofu because Enugu State is not all that bread and butter there. Imo State is not bread and butter, of course, but Anambra, that is the center. I mean, the elder of all the states. Elder, not I don't know about. I'm not talking about the time of creation of Anambra as a state. I'm talking about elder in Igbo land. Ebe isi of ndị Igbo dị, right? According to what they told us. So you cannot, as a governor of Anambra State, you must be a leader of Igbo land. Your decision making, your movement, you have to be the one to pilot the affair. Man, if you feel well, now let's go through it.
This is my market at of 10 minutes after 7. They said today is market, but it's only security people market I'm seeing here. Only security. Only security. Nobody. Security. So security everywhere is locked up. When nobody be well. Onye chọrọ ka obu ụzọ da. Nwanne abịakwa nka njọ anya ndị nche. Ka o soro n'ihe a na-ebe. Ma William Street, Bright Street, Emeka for White House, nwere onye na-ebe na abụrụ ndị security maka ndị na-asụsụ pụta. Onye ga-ebu ụzọ pụta ka a na-eche.
So that is it. That is it. And we are going to go through the Biafran self-referendum that is going on. So what you are watching now is Biafrans in Lagos. According to what PM said here, that this is Biafrans in Lagos. They are out casting their vote for self-referendum. Many people that are willing to vote are voting. People who claim they don't know where to vote and who want to know. So, somebody, text me, asking me, can I tell me where I want to vote? Where will I vote? Some they vote that have started voting for how many months now? You don't know where to vote. You don't know the link. That means it simply means that you don't want to vote. You understand? Because I was busy helping people to vote and sending link. Then somebody coming out now to ask me where will I vote. I see it as a sabotage. That you are just saying nonsense. Because if you want to vote, you know what to do. Anyway, you can see here. I don't want to say much about it. I need to let me just play the video so that you yourself will see it.
Yes, it is ongoing. It is happening live. Biafrans are ready to go. Biafrans are ready to go. The referendum is going on. Everyone is eager to participate in it. Just a short notice in this very house, the whole neighborhood has converged with interest for this election. Biafrans are voting here in Lagos.
This is interesting. In Lagos State, in Lagos, Biafrans are very, very determined. Very, very determined.
I don't want to use different phone. I said it earlier on that only one phone. Don't use too many phones. Do yours off your own.
Did you notice something? That is no longer the days or the time that people will place a call to call enemy, to call people to come here. There's people voting for Biafra here. Bring your amount tag, bring your Black Maria. Come and carry them. You see, when people, when people determine to do something, they would come out and do it. That is why, how many of you watched the video that I made where I said that Buhari actually helped facilitate the movement of Biafra, even though it looks painful, it appeared to be painful, but the truth of the matter is that that man actually helped us in many ways in terms of Biafran freedom. I will tell you why, in case if you don't remember what I said there. Because if not for Buhari's regime, Biafrans, as many people, will be blind. Today, many people will not even know what to support and the reason why you need to support. But he's gara gara in order to hurt Igbo people, have actually delivered many people from the bondage. Omona another one. Okwan another. You can see that another set of queue. I believe in the same place because my goodness, anybody. That's why now I know why some people are sending messages on comments saying, "Oh, hand go touch you, hand go touch you." Because I was thinking that they're saying that to PM. Imagine me, innocent man like me. Imagine me, innocent man like me. You are threatening me that hand go touch hand. Again, the same hand go touch you, the hand go touch you at 10 PM. Get one come.
Face your car this side. Face your car this side. Face your car this side, please.
Oh, Yegi. Let me see if I can if I can get the volume down. Okay. So the same thing they are talking about PM, 10 PM. Hand go touch you, hand go touch you. Hand go touch you no again. No Yegi or not why. But people will find a way to talk nonsense. I really thank God for government of Buhari. I know that's what I'm saying, and many people will be disagree. I mean, you will disagree with what I'm saying. I know, but one thing, if you can think deep, you understand that what I'm saying is fact. Buhari cannot be melende by your go. Cannot be melende by your go. His intention is just to emende by Pacha Wata Dinenia, because that was his intention. But by so doing, that nonsense have opened the eyes of Biafrans. Many market women, many young and old, everybody have come to a realization that this place is not where we're supposed to be. The best thing is Gasu Chairman Nage Billionaire Lono Baby. That is what they have made us to know, that we need to be on our own. When you talk like this, they say they are calling for war. I don't preach for violence. This channel can never ever support crime, like fighting anybody, bloodshed. No, I don't support that, and I don't preach for that. What I'm saying is self-referendum is one of the most peaceful way of resolving issue, both in family, in villages, in town, in an organization, in your own meeting. If you want to elect any position, maybe vice president or treasurer or anything at all in position in your organization, you need to do some election, isn't it? Do you just pick one person without asking the members of the meeting, are you in support of Mr. Kekoka for Eblaye Inejide guy or Dakokwai? That is referendum. As long as you are casting, you are voting. You are making choice to hear from other people, not only you. And Biafrans are speaking in a very loud voice. In the first phase of self-referendum seems to be quiet to compare this with this phase. Imagine if PM decided to go by third phase of this self-referendum. Believe you me, state governors will be queuing like this to vote. Ike na-agụbe hapụkwana obere ego a na-atọchapụta ike agụgo everybody ọ na-adị obi na-adị again ikune obodo ị ga-abịa bata o nwere ife ị ga-eji digbo ahụ na ahụ na-atọ gị ụtọ na ịnọ na be gị kịta ndị be anyị ka anyị ga dozie ebe anyị na ọ ka mma that is the best thing to do. Anyway, my people, I don't want to waste much of your time, even though the video seems to be long than my plan, but let be it. We have to. We are not going to go through other videos. We have other videos, to be honest, but I'm not going to play because of the time, the minutes that we were mapped out for this video. So I don't need to stretch it to that extent. Thank you so much for your time. God bless you. We are going to come back again with another reaction video, probably on a different issue. But before you go, like this video and comment. Tell us what you think about what we discussed so far. Tell us where you're watching from. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless you all and see you again on the next one. Bye bye for now.